This is going to be a little demonstration in Julia, the language Julia, of animations. And what I'm showing is the fact that you can describe a standing wave as the sum of two equal and oppositely oriented progressive waves. So that's what the diagram is. And if you're not colorblind, the one on the left is called, if you're colorblind, the one on the left I'm going to call blue, one on the right I'm going to call red, and the combination, the sum of those two waves, I'm going to call purple. And I'm going to run the animation. So you see that these waves are sort of, they're equal. I'll just tell you they're equal. You can probably tell that by looking, and they're running in opposite directions. And in the gray zone there, I'm summing the two waves, and it's a standing wave. It's a classic thing from sort of high school, middle school. I'm not sure where that comes from. And this window now is showing you an editor looking at Julia code. It's 27 lines long with a few comments, etc. So the beginning is in line 2. These line numbers are on the left of the line numbers. I'm asking to use the plots package, and the first time you do this, it takes a while to install. After that, it doesn't take, it just runs it. Okay, so lines 4 through 7, I'm just setting some stuff up. That L, lowercase l, is a length. I'm just defining. Partly this is just an advertisement. Notice in line 7, I'm saying 2π. Partly it's an advertisement for how you could type stuff in Julia. It's quite nice to do. So I'm setting X will be 500 points between -6 and +6, and fine. Now in line 9, I'm beginning a loop. Notice the 4, and the 4 ends down here. The indentation shows that as well. So T for time is going to be 0 up to 2, and it's going to go in increments of 0.005. Okay, so that's fine. I'm going to define two functions, y1 and y2. They're each going to be 1/2 times sine. Notice it's sine dot because I'm broadcasting. So it's 2π x over L minus omega t. So this would then be in radians. See, I've got it in radians up there. So that's fine. And one is dot minus, one is dot plus. Again, I need the dot because I'm broadcasting. The thing on the left has, but because of broadcasting. If you don't know what that means, this is not going to mean anything to you. So negative and positive means they're going in opposite directions. So the combination, I'm going to put that for x between -2 and +2. Should we go back to this? You can see -2, +2. And look, and again, I'm using broadcasting here, and I'm isolating the region in this line 13. Line 14, I'm plotting it, and I'm saying that I always do this actually, that I frame style of box, because I want to see the axes continue. I hate legends, so I turn that off, and I'm controlling the limits. Otherwise, it would auto scale to the portion that it's seeing. Okay, so that's going to be in the purple color, and then I basically do the similar thing for the right going and the left going waves, spelling left wrong there, but fix that up. And then the summation zone, that will be the gray lines. These are vertical lines, I think you can see. And so the key things here for animation are I do @animate. I assign a result to something called anim, and I save anim as standing wave .mp4. FPS is frames per second, and that gives me this. I'm going to put this on YouTube, and I don't actually know whether YouTube permits, it probably won't allow me to upload something that's got a pi in it. There's a heck of a lot of stuff it won't let me upload, but if I can upload this file, I will. And if not, I'm sorry, but I can't upload it. Take care. Bye.